guys!
We are happy here and excited about this video.
Today's video is about emotion.
It will help you to understand the energy about our emotion and how to interact with.
Yes, so let's dig into our emotion and understand what is an emotion.
According to the American Psychological Association, emotions are defined as
a complex reaction pattern involving experiential, behavioral, and psychological elements. Emotions are how individuals deal with matter or situation they found personally significant.
There are three components of the emotions experiences.
Yes, first we have a subjective experience where the emotion is produced through the experience. Example, if you have a kid into a tree and he starts to climb the tree, the parents will tell him, hey, watch out, you will fall, with a certain manner to say it, and then the kids will have automatically somehow a response inside the body where it will create an emotion, which is fear in this case.
Then we have the physiological response, that is a result of the autonomic nervous system reaction to the emotion that we are experiencing.
Let's take an example. The kids with Christmas. Christmas will happen soon. When the kids knows that he will get a present, he get excited, which the excitation will create a response inside his body, and that's why he wants to jump everywhere. He is literally impossible to handle. So finally, we have a behavioral or expressive response, the way the body expresses itself through the emotion.
Yes, I think we can use it as an example when we cry or when we scream with someone, or in a positive way when we smile. So now that we've seen the definition, let's see how the emotions interact with energy.
Yes, to understand it, we need to see and review the word emotion. E for energy, motion for movement.
So, an emotion represents a force that is in movement, and this energy forms and transforms our physiological environment, even though our perception of our external world.
Yes, emotional state is not constant. It's perpetually moving through one emotion to another one, which engage automatically a vibration and variation of energy.
Yes, so the emotion state is short-lived. When did you recognize the last time that the emotion stayed constantly?
Yes, as Michelle asked, it's an interesting question because it depends of how much desire you want to put on one emotion, which means the energy that you choose to put on a certain emotion. Let's take the kids at Christmas. He is very excited, so a couple of days before Christmas, he still be excited until you open his present.
So let's go back to the subjective experience by frequency and vibration. First, we need to understand that our entire body is like an electrical battery.
Yes, the body is an electrical charge, which is constantly charging and discharging. From our thought to our voice, the way we walk, everything is an electrical impulse.
So if the electrical current decreases, it's become negative. It's not necessarily bad, it's just negative.
Each energy in our body is affected by this current, which is positive or negative. But in this case, this energy, this current, will create an emotion, vibration, which is a frequency.
The more we are raising our frequency, more our body will respond with a positive charge or higher current.
Therefore, this energy can be like a downfall on the state of anger or joyness.
If you are creating or triggering negative frequency, you keep your vibration lower.
This leads us to a physiological response.
Emotions energy manifests in our body as a physical sensations or feelings.
As an example, fear that can preserve you from a danger, but also can restrict you from a positive or beneficial opportunity.
So all of us guys, at least one time, experiences the gut feelings.
Yeah, the gut feeling is a physiological response. This response will activate hormones, blood pressure, and vary our heartbeat, which will automatically increase and modify our homeostasis, which is the regulation of our inner physiological world.
So health is mental and physiological. Too much negative charge will decrease your immune system. In response, your immune system will be weaker.
Finally, we have the behavioral or the expression of our emotion.
Yes, let's take a joy as an example. Joy remains a quantifiable and temporary state of mind if you reach it.
Then, happiness is a permanent state of mind and the key to the polarity that we all have in our macrocosm, which is ourself.
When we retain and feel happiness, we find peace and space of calm. The emotions express themselves through our behaviors.
In consequence, the expression or action versus retreat or escape.
The form of the expressions will depend of the energy that we put on, and plus depends of your personality.
So now guys, we will review the question, where does come from the emotion? Emotion are directly interacting with the thought.
Sure. The emotion state is linked to our previous experiences, memorizing the stories as a memory.
When a situation triggers our memories, the emotion comes up to the surface under the form of sensation or feelings.
To continue where it comes from, the emotions interact with our body and plus the external world. So Sam, what did you learn with this experience about we talk about emotions? That it's amazing experience for me because I learned a lot. I think any topic that we get, trying to express ourselves, try to extend this experience, it will be good for us. And I would like just to say something that, for me, the main message that I could catch is that if the humanity understand that everything is about energy, and you have the strong power to deal with.
Okay guys, enough information for today. If you have any question or comment, you can use the section below. Leave the comment, leave anything you want, and we will try to respond to you.
Yes guys, if you enjoyed this video, smash the thumb up and subscribe to the channel.
Okay guys, thank you again for watching us, following us. We will see you in the upcoming video.